Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Saima Khan. So you can see by the look, today we are going to make falafel, and this is my homemade recipe, and very nice, crunchy from outside and soft from inside, darker in color because we use beans in it. So let's start the recipe and see how we make it. Okay, let's start. First take a bowl and add 2 cups of chickpeas. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda along with warm water. We have to take more water because chickpeas usually gets double in size, so we have to use more water in it. So in the morning the chickpeas will get double in size and they look like this. So along with chickpeas you have to take 1 can of boiled fava beans. It just enhances the taste of falafel. If you get hold of raw beans, then you have to soak them just like chickpeas for overnight, but without using baking soda in it. So we are going to use a lot of greens in it. So let's see what we are using. We are taking 1 bunch of coriander, 1 bunch of parsley, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, and half bunch of green onion. Let's start the cutting process now. So first we will take parsley. Make sure you take the leafy part because the stems are pretty thick, so we are not going to use it. For coriander you can take stems as well because they are pretty soft, so we can take stems as well. Now we will wash them. So in a mixing jar we will take green onion, garlic, parsley, and coriander, and now we'll start rock and roll. If your jar is small, then you can take half of the quantity as well and then grind them separately. Now we will take fava beans and half of the amount of chickpeas and now give it a very good mix. It's time to add spices now. So we are going to take 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder freshly grounded, half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of allspices, which is garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can take 1 spoon of flour as well, which will help to bind all this mixture, and then add 3/4 cup of water and again mix it. We don't want a paste, but we want a coarse texture. So you can see it now. Cover it and place it in fridge. Now we will make ultimate sauce for falafel. For that we are going to take 4 tablespoons of curd along with 2 tablespoons of tahini, which you can buy from Woolies, Coles or LD as well. We will take salt as per your taste, cumin freshly grounded, and then black pepper, and then give it a very good mix and your sauce is ready. Few people like to have hummus rather than this sauce. So for hummus you can find the recipe and I can give the link on top of this video. If you want, you can watch it and make a very good hummus along with this falafel. I love to have same size of falafel, so I have bought this falafel mold from eBay, which is not very costly. I think it's around $16 to $17. So you can buy it, or you can use ice cream scoop as well, so that you can have same size of falafel. So you can fill it up, this mold, with the mixture, and then with the help of fork you can drop this mixture in hot oil. We have to fry falafel at a medium flame, and make sure that your fry pan is not jam-packed. You can see from inside, this is crunchy from outside and then soft from inside. They're very yummy, they're very delicious, very nice in taste. If you want a restaurant style white colored falafel, then you have to use half of the amount of parsley and coriander. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.